I'm going to show you how to replace the temperature probe on your Asmoke AS300. You'll need about 10 minutes, some wire cutters, a long Phillips screwdriver with a magnetic tip, and a small flathead screwdriver. The temperature probe is found under the deflector plate in the back left of the grilling area. To get to it, remove the 4 screws holding the access panel in place. Then remove the 3 zip ties holding the wires in place. Remove the 2 screws holding the control panel, and then gently pull it out to expose the other end of the wires. Follow the silver braided wire and not the 2 white braided wires to the temperature probe. You're going to find it in the upper left-hand side. Use your long magnetic tipped Phillips screwdriver and remove the 2 screws holding the probe in place. The magnetic tip will keep you from dropping the screw and is really handy. Gently pull it out to remove it. It's also attached to the control board right here. Use your small flat tip screwdriver and loosen the 2 screws holding the wire in place before gently pulling them out. I like to check the resistance between the 2 wires, and probes often fail with infinite or very low resistance. You should see a big difference between a good and a bad probe. Put the 2 probe wires into the holes and tighten the 2 screws to secure them in place. Put the control board panel back in and secure it with the 2 screws. Put the temperature probe back in place and secure it with the 2 screws. Don't forget to zip tie the wires to keep them out of the fans, and then attach the access panel with the 4 screws. Turn your grill on and you should be back to grilling.